See to the next puzzle, what will come in this question mark? See to this puzzle, what will come in this question mark? Center you have 9 and then both sides. See that 1, 2, 3 question marks are there. Okay, guess it and tell. So I'll explain here. Here the 9 is there, center. Both sides you have numbers, that is 5 and 4. What it says, that 5 plus 4 means it is 9. Same way this cross you say, check it out. Middle is 9, that both sides you have 6 and 3. That is 6 plus 3, when you add up you will get 9. Okay, then what will be this next one? 2 is there, the opposite side what number should come? So that the total is 9. So the first one here it will be 7. Because 7 plus 2 make it 7 plus 2 will give you this 9. Okay, what will come in this remaining? So all digits are filled up. See, check it out. From 2, 3 is there, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there. What is left out? 8 and 1. So that remaining will be 8. 1, see right here 1 and then 8 over here. So 1 plus 8, that gives you in the middle one. So answers are 1, 7 and 8. Okay, see to the next puzzle. Here are the shapes. 3 dots, 4 dots. Here you have 7 dots. Likewise, guess this answer. What should come in this dots? Question marks, dots. Shall I explain this answer? Here 3 dots, 4 dots. The answer has 7 dots. That means the middle one will be, that square represents the plus. If you plus only these 2 dots, you will get 7. Here again see the next one. So 4 dots here, 2 dots here. Okay, 4 dots here, 2 dots here. No, 5 dots, right? 5 dots. 5 dots here, 2 dots here. That means if you subtract it, you will get 3. Right? That means the triangle represents here subtraction. See the next one. 2 dots, square shape, 1 dot. What answer should come? So square represents plus, is it not? That means you have to add these two. The result will be 3 dots. Now again triangle means that represents minus here, subtraction. Therefore 3 dots minus 2 dots. What you will get? 1 dot. Okay, these are the answers. In the question mark answers, this 3 dots for the first one, 1 dot for the second one. Now look into the next puzzle. See the boxes having all dots. What will come in the last 2 box? That is your thinking, logical thinking. Right, the first box has 16 dots. The next box has 4 dots. Count here next, 8 plus 3, 11 dots. Here 3 dots. Again here 7 dots. So again here 4 dots. Here 4 dots. Here 3 dots. What will be the answer for this 2 boxes? Okay, that is your question now. See that one, 16 here, the next to the box number is 11. Leave one box. The next box has 11. Again the next box has 7. That means how much is reduced from 16 to 11? How much is reduced here? 5 is reduced, minus 5. Again from that 11 it is reduced 7. That means minus 4. Again from 7, leave this box and coming to this 4. What is this? 3 reduced. Minus 3 is reduced here. Again from 3, look into the next box, leave one box and the next will be, see 5 subtracted, 4 subtracted, 3 subtracted, you got it. See from 16, 5 subtracted, you got 11. Again from 11 you got subtracted 4, you got 7. From 7 you subtracted 3, you got 4. Again you subtract minus 2. After 3 you have minus 2, is it not? So subtract from 4 minus 2, you will get 2 dots. That means only 2 dots will be the answer in the next box. Now same thing here. 4 reduced to 3. Again increased to 4, reduced to 3. The next will be increased 4, right? 4 dots. So the answer in this box, first box will be 2 dot and this last box will be 4 dots. Okay? 4, 3, 4, 3. The next will come again 4. You got the answer for these 2 boxes.